In the world of premium outdoor cooking, two titans dominate the landscape: Weber and Napoleon. Both brands command respect, loyalty, and premium prices, yet each takes a distinctly different approach to grilling excellence. This isn't just a battle of grills, it's a clash of philosophies, engineering approaches, and grilling cultures that has divided backyard enthusiasts for decades. Let's find out who wins. Build quality and construction. When examining build quality, both manufacturers excel, but their approaches differ significantly. Weber grills feature porcelain enamel coating fired onto steel at 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a finish that's literally fused to the metal. This process ensures exceptional rust resistance and durability, with the coating preventing paint from flaking off even after years of use. Napoleon takes a different approach, utilizing high-grade 304 stainless steel construction across their premium lines. This material choice provides superior corrosion resistance and heat retention compared to standard steel. Napoleon's commitment to premium materials extends throughout their grills, with thicker cooking grates, 8.5 mm versus Weber's 7.5 mm in comparable models, and more robust construction overall 6. The durability difference becomes apparent in real-world use. Weber grills are known for their longevity, with many units lasting decades with proper care. However, some Weber models can experience water collection issues on base plates, potentially leading to rust over time. Napoleon's galvanized steel construction and superior drainage design help mitigate these concerns, making their grills less susceptible to weather-related damage. Cooking performance and technology. Weber's strength lies in consistent, even heat distribution and user-friendly operation. The Weber Spirit E310, consistently rated as one of the best gas grills available, demonstrates this philosophy perfectly. Its 3-burner system provides responsive temperature control within 30 to 60 seconds, with heat evenly distributed across the 450 square-inch cooking surface. Weber's GS4 high-performance grilling system, featuring innovative burners and infinity ignition, ensures reliable startup and consistent performance. Napoleon counters with advanced technology that pushes cooking capabilities beyond traditional grilling. Their signature feature, the infrared sizzle zone, uses ceramic burners that reach temperatures up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, creating professional-quality sears that lock in juices and flavors. This technology represents a significant advantage for serious meat enthusiasts who prioritize steakhouse-quality results. Napoleon's multi-burner setups excel in indirect grilling, allowing for distinct hot and cool zones that enable oven-like cooking. Their well-sealed lids ensure even heat circulation, while optional smoking chips or charcoal trays add traditional smoky flavors to the grilling experience. Weber grills, while capable of indirect cooking, don't quite match Napoleon's versatility in this regard. Features and innovation. Weber focuses on practical, user-friendly features that enhance the grilling experience without overwhelming novice users. Their grills typically include spacious side tables, tool hooks, sturdy wheels for mobility, and integrated thermometers. The Weber Connect app, available on select models, provides temperature monitoring and recipe guidance, though it's not as comprehensive as some competitors' offerings. Napoleon grills are feature-rich, often including multiple cooking zones, rotisserie burners, side burners, and illuminated control knobs. The Prestige series showcases Napoleon's commitment to luxury, with features like the safety glow system that makes control knobs glow red when burners are active. Napoleon's iconic wave-shaped cooking grids not only create distinctive sear marks but also increase cooking surface area and prevent food from falling through. The technology gap becomes apparent when comparing specific models. Weber's sear zone typically reaches around 600 degrees Fahrenheit, while Napoleon's infrared burners achieve 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, a significant difference for those seeking professional-level searing capabilities. Napoleon's side infrared burners also double as versatile cooking surfaces for pots and pans, adding functionality beyond traditional grilling. Ease of use and assembly. Weber consistently scores high marks for user-friendliness and straightforward assembly. Most Weber grills can be assembled relatively quickly, and their intuitive design makes them accessible to beginners while remaining capable enough for experienced grillers. The learning curve is minimal, allowing users to achieve excellent results from their first cook. Napoleon grills, while offering superior features, often require more complex assembly and operation. Professional reviewers have noted that Napoleon grills can take up to 3 hours to assemble, with some finding the process fiddly and frustrating. The additional features and cooking zones, while beneficial for experienced users, can be overwhelming for beginners and require more attention during cooking. Pricing and value. Weber positions itself as the value leader, offering excellent performance at accessible price points. The Weber Spirit E310, priced under $500, delivers professional quality results that compete with grills costing significantly more. Weber's pricing strategy makes premium grilling accessible to a broader audience while maintaining the quality standards the brand is known for. Napoleon grills typically command premium prices, reflecting their luxury positioning and advanced features. While Napoleon offers entry-level models starting around $199 for charcoal grills, their gas grills with full feature sets can reach $1,700 or more. The price difference is substantial. Napoleon grills often cost double what comparable Weber models command. Warranty and support. Napoleon offers superior warranty coverage, with 10 to 15-year warranties on most components and lifetime warranties on select models. This extended coverage reflects the company's confidence in their build quality and provides peace of mind for buyers making a significant investment. Weber provides solid warranty coverage with 5 to 12-year options depending on the model, though not quite matching Napoleon's extensive coverage. However, Weber's widespread dealer network and readily available replacement parts often make service and maintenance more convenient for users. So, which is better? The choice between Weber and Napoleon ultimately depends on your grilling priorities, experience level, and budget. Weber excels for those seeking reliable, user-friendly grills that deliver consistent results without complexity. If you value ease of use, proven reliability, and excellent value for money, Weber represents the smart choice. The brand's focus on essential features and intuitive operation makes it ideal for beginners and experienced grillers who prefer simplicity over complexity. Napoleon suits serious grilling enthusiasts who demand premium features and are willing to pay for advanced technology. If you prioritize professional-level searing capabilities, extensive cooking versatility, and luxury features, Napoleon's premium positioning justifies the higher cost. The brand's innovative approach to grilling technology and superior build materials appeal to those who view grilling as both passion and art. For most backyard cooks, Weber's combination of performance, reliability, and value makes it the better choice. The Weber Spirit E310 sub-$500 price point delivers results that satisfy the vast majority of grilling needs while remaining accessible and user-friendly. However, for the grilling enthusiast who regularly entertains large groups, frequently cooks premium cuts of meat, and values having every possible feature at their disposal, Napoleon's premium offerings provide capabilities that Weber simply cannot match.